right, today is day, 54. Today's day 54 of my 100 days of nothing but Keto Chow. Happy Sunday to you all. Everything's going still fine. We have a family dinner tonight. I made taco meat for it yesterday. Just one more thing in the long list of food that Chris is making that he's not going to be eating. Or rather, in this case, it's keto taco meat. I made it from scratch. Just a lot of coriander and chili powder and stuff like that. I also made deviled eggs today. That's another thing in the list of keto food I'm not going to eat. And yesterday I used southern style ribs, put them in the Instant Pot, cooked those up, and then shredded them, kind of like pulled pork. Smelled fantastic, but Miriam said it was good. Must be. Anyway, I did wake up this morning with a headache, and it definitely was a dehydration headache. It actually took me up until, let's see, the clock says it's 3:35. I probably didn't get rid of that headache until about 2 o'clock today, and that's drinking a lot of water, a lot of electrolyte drops, and ibuprofen. So I don't know what it was, but I feel fine now, so that's great. Anyway, so yeah, the 100 days is still going great, and I just put on my Zozo suit, Z-O-Z-O. It's this funny suit. You put it on, set your camera up. It has you turn around in a circle while it takes photos, and it generates a 3D model of you and gives you your measurements. So I'm going to go look and see what the difference is. First time I measured was in early January, and I'm going to see what it is compared to now. Just really quickly looking at my waist, it says I'm down 3.5 inches. So that's cool. Anyway, that's it. Sunday, 54 days. 54 days. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow for a better update. So long.